Receiving money from PayPal as in Nigeria has been absolutely impossible. Nigerians have not been able to receive money through PayPal for nearly 20 years. But this app promises to make PayPal work for Nigerians. And with Paga PayPal integration, you're supposed to be able to connect your PayPal account, receive money internationally, and withdraw those funds directly into your Paga wallet. Does it actually work? Today, I'm putting Paga and PayPal into real-world tests. I'm not going to bore you with the process of linking the account. There are so many platforms that have already gone through that process. Right now, I'm going to hit the nail on the head. I'll be trying to withdraw my funds from PayPal through my Paga account. And most importantly, finding out how much finally gets into my hand. Because at the end of the day, it's not only about getting the money, how much actually gets to me after all the fees and taxes is done. So if you've been wondering whether Paga has really solved the PayPal problem for Nigerians, you're in the right place. Let's find out. As you can see, there is our notification from an email from PayPal that we've received some money. So if you look down here, you've seen that there is a fee of $2.75. So we are left with $47.25. So basically, PayPal already charges you like $2.75 from the money. If you get a payment of $50, you just know that $2 is off. Basically almost $3 is actually gone. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to our Paga app. So if I go back to my home page and search for the Paga app first, once you click open the Paga app, for me, like I said, I've already linked my PayPal app to this, but when you get into the app, the first thing you're going to see is your Nigerian account. If you look at the top right corner, you're going to see where it says Nigerian account, the NGN account, Nigerian account, and you're going to see the Nigerian logo. So basically, that's your Nigerian account. So if you look at that little drop down, if you click there, you're going to see where to integrate or to switch to your PayPal account. So when you do that, you see your balance, and you see two buttons down there. One is to request and the other one is to withdraw. Basically, the request is for you to request payment from your client, or basically your family, or anyone who is about to send you money through PayPal. But for here, we're gonna do the withdrawal because receiving might not be a problem, but withdrawal has always been a problem. So to withdraw this, we're gonna click on the withdraw button. If we do that, gonna ask you to choose account. We're gonna choose the Nigerian account basically. So the account you're choosing is account you want to withdraw to. So we are withdrawing to a Nigerian account, so we're gonna just click on Nigerian account. So the next thing you're gonna do is to impute the amount you want to withdraw. So we're gonna just take out the $47. So if we click $47, there is another fee here. So bear in mind that you're gonna be charged twice. You're gonna be charged $2.75 by PayPal, and you're gonna be charged $4.41 by Paga. We are now left with $42.59. So as you can see, at the time of this transaction, the exchange rate is about 1,383 for $1. So after that, we're gonna just click on withdraw. Once you do that, it's gonna do its thing, pops up a notification that your funds are on the way. So in less than seconds, you're gonna see a notification. You withdraw $42.59 to your Paga Nigerian account. So that means that it is a success actually. So we're gonna go back to our Nigerian account and see whether we have that money, and then see we have exactly the amount, the equivalent of what we converted. So how do we get this to our main account? Because this is actually Paga account, we need to get to a native or traditional bank account. So to send this money to your native bank account, you're gonna click on send here. So once you click on send, you're gonna just drop the recipient account number. You're gonna drop your account number, maybe First Bank, EcoBank, OPay, or MoneyPoint. For me, I'm gonna use OPay for this. Next, once you click here, next is gonna show the banks, and you're gonna choose which bank you want to use. This is OPay. So if I click that, it's gonna load, show your name. Make sure you confirm the account name to make sure it's actually the person you want to send your money to. And then you click on next. When you click on next, just impute the amount you want to remove here, and then click on send. In a matter of seconds, you're going to receive your money. So now that you've seen the fees and everything required to pull out your money from PayPal, do you think this is actually still usable? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Watch this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out for now.